Today we will show you how to operate a traverse for rotating building panels. The first step is to attach the slings to the load. It is necessary to verify that the slings are correctly positioned and securely attached. The inspection is carried out at 3 points. At the top, check the position of the slings. In the middle, make sure the slings are not twisted. At the bottom, check the attachment to the load. The inspection must be carried out from all sides of the traverse. Before starting work, make sure that the stop button is not pressed. The device is started by pressing and holding the start button twice. The first press activates the program and the second switches on the electrical circuit. Once the green indicator light is on, the device is ready for use. When lifting, the operator must face the control panel. At all times, it is necessary to monitor the position of the load so that it remains horizontal. After lifting to the required height, rotation can be started using the left or right buttons. If the load is tilted, it must be corrected by pressing the button on the opposite side. The buttons at the bottom of the controller are used to move the trolley with the slings to the left or right, allowing precise balancing. The position of the traverse and the load must be under the operator's control at all times. To change the rotation speed, hold the start button and simultaneously press the rotation buttons. Pressing left reduces the speed, pressing right increases it. When lowering the load into position, the operator can use manual guides for precise positioning. After placing the load, the slings are released and the device is returned to its original position. Always follow safety instructions and comply with the operating manual. At Prestar, we manufacture these traverses tailored to the needs of your operation. Thank you for watching. You can explore our other production solutions on our website.